Hi guys, it's me, Tech Jake. If you want to buy the Samsung Galaxy A13 5G at a limited time discount price, make sure to check out the link in the description below. So let's talk about this device. The Samsung Galaxy A13 5G runs Android 11 and comes layered with Samsung's One UI. That combo gives you a clean, smooth, and responsive experience, something Samsung's pretty good at. One UI ties the hardware and software together really well, and everything just feels natural. Now under the hood, this phone is rocking the MediaTek Dimensity 700 5G chip. It's not flagship level, but it handles streaming, downloads, and multitasking without breaking a sweat. And paired with an octa-core CPU and the Mali G57MC2 GPU, it delivers solid mid-range performance, great for everyday users and light gamers. Let's talk display. You're getting a 6.6-inch PLS LCD panel with a 90Hz refresh rate. That higher refresh rate makes scrolling buttery smooth, even if the 720 by 1600 resolution isn't the sharpest out there. Still, it looks pretty good in person. The build? Glass on the front, plastic on the back, lightweight and comfortable to hold. Battery life is solid. This phone comes with a 5000 mAh non-removable LiPo battery, and yeah, it's built to last all day. Whether you're binge-watching, doom-scrolling, or just doing your usual stuff, you'll be fine. And it comes with a 15W fast charger, which is nice to see at this price. Camera setup, triple lens on the back. You've got a 50MP main sensor, a 2MP macro, and a 2MP depth sensor. On the front, you've got a 5MP selfie cam. It's not amazing, but it gets the job done for video calls and the occasional snap. The phone supports 1080p video at 30 frames per second on both front and rear, so your videos will look clean and stable. As for storage, you've got options: 4GB or 6GB RAM, and 64GB or 128GB of internal storage. And if that's not enough, pop in a microSD card and expand it up to 1TB. That's massive. In terms of connectivity, this is where the A13 5G really steps up. You've got 5G support, which is future-ready, Bluetooth 5.0, dual-band Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi Direct, USB Type-C 2.0, a 3.5mm headphone jack, yes, that still exists, and a loudspeaker that delivers surprisingly clear audio for the price. You've also got a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and a few sensors like a compass and barometer, which are nice additions for a phone in this range. And yeah, it comes in black, keeping it simple and classic. So, why should you consider the Galaxy A13 5G? White heavy checkmark, it's got Android 11 and One UI, clean and familiar. White heavy checkmark, the Dimensity 700 5G chip is reliable for day-to-day tasks. White heavy checkmark, smooth 90Hz display, even if it's not full HD. White heavy checkmark, massive 5000 mAh battery with 15W fast charging. White heavy checkmark, expandable storage up to 1TB. White heavy checkmark, triple rear camera, solid video quality. White heavy checkmark, still has a headphone jack. White heavy checkmark, secure side fingerprint sensor. Now, it's not perfect. Crossmark, there's no Gorilla Glass protection. Crossmark, no water or dust resistance. Crossmark, no wireless charging. Crossmark, the front camera is only 5MP, so not great for selfies. Crossmark, and the battery? It's sealed in, so not user removable. Let's run through the key specs real quick. Display, 6.6-inch PLS LCD, 90Hz. Resolution, 720 by 1600. OS, Android 11 with One UI 3.0. Processor, MediaTek Dimensity 700 5G. RAM/storage, 4GB or 6GB RAM, 64GB or 128GB storage. Expandable storage, up to 1TB. Rear cameras, 50MP plus 2MP plus 2MP. Front camera, 5MP. Video, 1080p at 30 frames per second, front and rear. Battery, 5000 mAh, 15W fast charging. Audio, 3.5mm jack, loudspeaker. Connectivity, Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi dual band, GPS, USB Type-C. Security, side fingerprint reader. SIM, nano SIM only. Alright, before we wrap up, here are some quick FAQs. Question: what OS is on the A13 5G? A. Android 11 with One UI 3.0. Question: RAM options? A. 4 GB or 6 GB. Question: processor? A. MediaTek Dimensity 700 5G. Question: is it water resistant? A. Nope, no water or dust resistance. Question: screen protection? A. No Gorilla Glass here. Question: battery capacity? 5,000 mAh. Question: wireless charging? A. Not supported, but it does have 15W wired charging. Question: USB type? A. USB Type-C 2.0. Question: Bluetooth version? A. Bluetooth 5.0. And that's it. If you're looking for a budget-friendly 5G smartphone with solid performance and great battery life, the Samsung Galaxy A13 5G might just be the right fit for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more interesting and amazing videos, right here on. I'm Tech Jake, and I'll catch you in the next one. Victory hand.